Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to automate opening a URL in new window using Selenium Java. Okay, so in previous session, we have seen how to open a URL in new tab. So this particular feature we are going to discuss, that is opening a URL in new tab or new window. Both the things will be working only in Selenium 4. Okay, whatever the version that is available in Selenium 4, it will be working. In the older versions like 3.141 and the below versions, it will not be working. Okay, so if you are using a older version, you can upgrade to any of this version and you can try this particular scenario. Okay, so currently I'm having 4.14.1. Okay, so what we can do is I will tell you the scenario we are going to automate today. So we will be launching a Chrome browser and opening a URL in that, and after that we will be opening a new tab here. Okay, so which we seen in the previous session. So if you not watched that one, you can go and watch in that. We have discussed in detail in that one. Okay, so I will be opening here, and what we can do is we can open another URL, Yahoo India. Okay, so we can open this URL, Yahoo India. Okay, so after that, what I'm going to do, I will open a new window. Okay, so currently we open new tab. Now we are opening new window. So in this, we will try to open google.co.in. Okay, so after this, we will be closing all the open session. Okay, so here what we are trying is we are trying to open a new window the same session. Okay, we are not terminating the session. We are going to open new tab and new window in the same session. Okay, so we are not terminating using driver.quit. Okay, so if you are using driver.quit, it will be ending all the sessions available. Okay, so without quitting, we are trying to open the new window and new tab. Okay, so we can try the scenario. So I will copy the same code which we tried yesterday. So we need to do some small alteration in that. So I copy this particular file, Java class file, and paste it. So once I paste, it will be asking me to rename. So I will give the name new tab. Instead of new tab, I will give new window. Okay. Open URL in new window test automation. Okay. So I copied the same code. So I am opening this particular Java class file. Here I added a code for opening the Chrome browser. After that I given the code for opening selenium.dev URL in the tab that is open. Okay. So after that we are trying to print the URL and title. After that it is waiting for 5 seconds. So this is the first step. There is no change in this one. Here also we are going to perform the same thing. So in the next thing is we are going to perform new tab. Okay. So here also we are going to perform and open a new tab and open yahoo.co.in. Okay, Yahoo India. We will open this India search page in Yahoo. So what I will do, I will paste it here. Instead of Google, I will open Yahoo, and in the below code we can open google.co.in. Okay, so I have opened this one. So initially it will be printing the empty. Okay, so here we can delete the get title, it will not print. So only the current URL it will be printing. As it is a new tab, it will be printing only this. So I am having this alone. After that it is opening this particular URL. Okay, now here it will be printing the current URL. After switching to the new tab, it will be printing that and getting the title also. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy the same set of code from here and paste it below. Okay, we have done up to this level. Okay, so we have opened a new URL, and after that we have opened a new tab and open this particular yahoo.co.in. So even if you type yahoo.co.in, it will be redirecting to the page shown here. Okay, so I will use the same URL that is shown here. So what I can do is, here I will change this to 4. Okay, then only we can identify. So instead of tab, what we can do is, we will be having an option window. Okay, so in order to open a new tab, you need to use tab option that is available in window type. Okay, so this particular new window we discussed in the previous session. Now also I will explain again. Okay, so this, there will be two methods that is available in switch to, that is window and new window. Currently we are going to use new window alone. Okay, so window we will discuss later. So we can choose this option here. When you are giving this option, inside that you need to pass window type. Okay, so if you have this window type thing, you will be getting two options, that is tab and window. So I am currently going to open a new window, so I choose the second one. Okay, after switching, I am trying to get the URL of this particular empty. Here I will give 4 and here I will pass 5. Okay, so instead of, now we have opened a new window and we are getting this google.co.in. So this is the scenario we are going to perform. Okay, after opening, it will be printing the URL and get the title, and title will be printed. After that 5 seconds it will wait and it will be quitting all the sessions. Okay, all the current active sessions in the Chrome, it will be quitting. So we can try this. Okay, I'm going to run as Java application. Now you observe it is opening the URL in Chrome browser. Now it will open a new tab after 5 seconds. Here it will get the URL available, that is about blank. Here it is loading yahoo.co.in. After that, it is opening a new window and here you need to pass google.co.in. Okay, so all the 3 steps we done is over and it got printed here and the session is over. Okay, so I will rerun. We can observe that again. So first URL is open. Now new tab will be open. Now Yahoo URL will be loaded. Now new window will get open. Here Google search page will be loaded. Okay, so now all the session will be ended. So we are done with this particular automation. So if you want to gain more knowledge on window type tab or how to open a new tab, you can see the previous session. Yeah, that's all I have for this video. We will meet in another new video with new content. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you.